Hello and welcome to a new video. Do you happen to want to limit the distance of your bookings to keep things manageable? If so, then I'll show you how to apply a maximum distance for bookings on ClickChauffeur. By setting a maximum distance, you can ensure that your trips remain within a desired range, making your service more efficient. Because we know this is what you want, so let's make it happen. We go straight to the ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. In the menu on the left, click on Module, Settings to access the settings page. Once you reach the page, go to the menu on the right of the screen. Options. Here, you will see an option labeled Maximum Distance. Well, if you want to apply a maximum distance, then simply check the maximum distance box. Reach the label in the middle of the screen, Maximum Distance. Enter the desired distance in kilometers. For example, you might enter 50 to set a maximum distance of 50 kilometers. Click Enter and it will save the change. The following step is to customize the message that will be shown if a booking exceeds the maximum distance. Type in your personalized message. There is a default one, but this could also be, for example, this trip exceeds our maximum distance of 50 kilometers. Please book a shorter trip or contact us for special arrangements. Finally, save the changes that you just made, and there you have it. We've set a maximum distance for bookings, ensuring your trips remain within a manageable range. This small change can help you streamline your service and maintain efficiency. Remember, keeping trips within a desired range helps manage your schedule better. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep those trips efficient and your clients happy.